me. Nanny. Fun.
Helicopter. Helicopter. I want to climb a hill. Oops. 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 Help! I am stuck on the mountain. Oops. 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 A rescue helicopter is coming.
Hey, climb up on the rope ladder.
Thank you for coming to rescue me. Helicopter. Helicopter.
Motorcycle. Motorcycle. I am hungry.
Let's order a pizza.
Yes, please.
Hi, I'd like to order a pizza for delivery.
Yes, sure. You will love our pizza, we will deliver it soon. Bye bye. Time for delivery. Pizza is ready, it's time for delivery.
Leave it to me.
Bye bye.
Motorcycle. Train. Train? Train? Hey, Mr. Blue. How can we go to Grandma's home?
We go to Grandma's home by train. Come on. I am going to buy 2 train tickets for us.
I'll wait for you here then.
Great. See you later. Time to get on the train.
The train is coming. Train? Train? T-A-X-I. Taxi. Taxi.
Please wait for me. Oh, my goodness. Time is running out. I need a taxi. Taxi.
Taxi. Taxi.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon, to get new video updates. See you in the next video.